right, well, very good morning. We're trying to learn the subway during rush hour on a Monday morning to get to the Brooklyn Bridge, so this is already turning out to be very interesting. Brooklyn Bridge, that's where we want to go, baby.
Thanks to all of my beautiful people on this train. Next time the train is to 42nd Street.
All right, so we think we're somewhere close to the Brooklyn Bridge. We're about to find out. This city's crazy. Oh, wow. Said over 14,000 miles of wire were used in the Brooklyn Bridge. So cool. And so we got a little confused on the subway and we went the wrong way, but we realized it pretty quickly, jumped off, went back the other direction, then you just gotta hoof it a little ways, and now we're gonna walk all the way to the other side of the Brooklyn Bridge and check out a neighborhood called Dumbo. New York, New York. Yeah. Oh, now I see the famous Instagram shot. You got a bridge, forget the name of it, and then you can see the Empire State Building through the little hole down there. All right, so to get the famous Instagram shot, you got to kind of play chicken and stand out in the middle of the road like Trip is. Oh, and if you're wondering where Jackson is, he wouldn't wake up, so he's missing out. There's a little famous carousel place right there. Wow, the city's just beautiful, but man, it's freezing over here by this water. The Time Out Market, Empire Stores, Museum of Food and Drink. That sounds cool, but I'd rather want a restaurant with food and drink. Cause I'm hungry. Yeah, I ain't sitting on a rooftop. Now we gotta get all fueled up to go tour New York City. Now we are extremely full, and we're gonna take the subway back to get Sleepyhead Jackson, and then you'll just have to watch and see where we're going, because I don't know. All right, we found the subway. I think we got my tickets again, yeah? Yeah. Okay. Let's see, we're staying in Manhattan, but don't know where.
This is a Manhattan-bound F local train. The next stop is East Broadway.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Dip in there? I kind of want me a hat. I want me a hat. I need me a New York Yankee hat. Now I don't look like a tourist anymore. Nobody's gonna know I'm from South Carolina.
Not at all.
Right, Santa? Oh yeah. All right, we made it to the Staten Island Ferry place, and it is busy. All right, so the ferry leaves at 3:30. It's 3:29. Pretty sure this is about to be a mad dash to the ferry. And ChatGPT said to get on the right side in order to see the. I'm sorry, Sarah. Okay, yeah, I shouldn't tell her.
Say it out loud.
Okay, I'll say it backwards. Get on the left side to see the Statue of Liberty. All right, so once the 10,000 people get on the ferry, it doesn't take very long before she starts moving, but you got to get a seat like real quick. So it's either you sit here or you stand at the rail. And so what we're going to do is just trade off that way. They can sit down for a minute, we can get the rail, because as you can tell, the rail is prime real estate. Yeah, so it's just like about a 5-minute wait, and then you just jump back on. All right, so we got all the way up on the very top this time, and this should, yeah, hurricane deck, and this one should be really pretty because the sun's going down. Then we're on the left side of the boat now, so we can see the Statue of Liberty as we go back. And there she is again, headed back to New York. If you can do the Sunset Ferry, I highly suggest it because it is beautiful. It's a little freezing cold, as you can tell, but it's worth it. All right, now we're gonna try to make our way to the 9/11 Memorial, but we're gonna stop off somewhere and get a little snack, maybe a cold beer or something, and then head. And it's probably gonna be about dark by the time we'll make it there, so we'll just see what it looks like when we get there. All right, so we are almost at the 9/11 Memorial, but look how beautiful this place is at nighttime. Wow, that was really something. So we just went into the 9/11 museum, and you can't film in there, not that I would anyway, just out of respect, but very, very touching and really tugs at your heartstrings. But we're gonna go find us a little bit to eat tonight, guys, and then stay tuned, because who knows what else we're gonna get to here in the big city of New York. Thanks for watching. Give the video a thumbs up if you don't mind. Consider subscribing if you hadn't already, and we'll see you tomorrow.